They're all gone. They were 4. See?
Where? Fox?
Yeah. They were 4 running. See? Go. Yeah, it's coming back. Don't make a noise.
What?
Go.
I don't see it.
Look, they're there. And one is on top there. Don't move. Oh my god, the other one is on top there. Look, she's on the... Look, she's sitting on the rock. Look at that. Sit down, okay, I'm driving. Oh my god, 4 of them. There are 4. Don't move, Salty Play. Look. She's running away. She's afraid of us. Go. Look, she's sitting down. Where are the others? Yeah.
The others ran in the back. Where the...
Look. How are they?
Oh my...
Okay, mas scared na siya. Sit down, please.
I need to see.
I know. I was like, wow. I was wondering what was jumping. Yeah, she's just sitting there. Look. Oh my. Look, they're there. They're sitting. Don't move, kay mahadlok sila.
I need to see. Look, I see one right over there with the tree. I see one.
I know.
Top and top.
Okay, kaog. Kaog ba?
What's like that, the neck?
It's just like that. Don't move, please sit down.
What's sitting in the road?
I know. Okay, let's see. The others are trying to find some food. Look. She's looking.
You beep beep.
Ayaw, I'm not baby. Mahadlok na siya. Look, that's the baby. That's not the mother. Sit down. The others.
Look, I see one in
Oh,
top.
the other one too. Yeah, sit down. Oh, the other one is up there.
Look, go.
Agay, tarong dia. Oh my. Ay, nagmimi na siya. Buntay ka na niya ikaw nagsunod na to. The other one is on top there. See? Oh my god, he won't go away. Nakay food. I think I will give her food.
But he gonna bite you, what?
No, I will just throw it. Okay, I'll give her the food. Thank you.